Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Uday Pandit and you are watching MEP Technical World. In this video, we will discuss about NO, NC and emergency push button. So before I start the session, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So let's start from NO push button. Okay, so basically what is NO push button? So NO stands for normally open push button. Actually it is initially NO position, normally open position. In this condition it will not allow the power to flow from input terminal to output terminal. Okay, and generally it is used as a start button. Okay, so it is used in a motor starter like DOL starter, star delta starter, and in other electric panels also. Okay, now it is found in green color. Generally it is found in green color. Here this is the view of NO switch or NO push button. Okay, so this part is NO element. Actually initially it is NO condition and this part is push button. Actually we can see that this is in green color. Okay, so when we push it, then its NO element become NC. Okay, and this is the symbol of NO push button. Now let's discuss the condition of NO push button. So basically what are the condition of NO push button? Normally condition, pressed condition and released condition. So let's first start from normal condition. In this condition what happened? For that let's take one indicator and we are going to control this indicator with NO push button. So here I have taken NO push button. Okay, now let's complete the connection. Okay, this is the 220 volt single phase power supply. Okay, this is the L terminal and this is the N terminal, neutral terminal. So let's take red wire and connect it to input terminal of this NO push button, and from the output terminal of this NO push button let's take again red wire and connect it to the indicator terminal. Okay, now let's connect neutral 2 also. So here we have completed connection between NO push button and indicator. So in normal condition what happened, power is flowing like this and it reaches to the NO push button input terminal. Okay, now in this condition what happened, it is in normally open condition. So that's why this power will not available to its output terminal. So actually it doesn't allow the power from input terminal to output terminal because it is in normally open condition. As you can see here, it is breaking the circuit. That's why this indicator will not get live terminal or power supply. Hence this bulb will not glow or it is in off condition. Okay, now move to pressed condition. Okay, when we press this NO switch, so basically what happened? Okay, so let's analyze it. As you know that this power is flowing like this and it is stuck at input terminal of this NO push button. Okay, and as we discussed in previous condition, it is stuck over here because of it is normally open. Okay, that's why it doesn't allow the power flow from input terminal to output terminal. Okay, now when we press this switch, okay, or push this switch, then its NO contacts become NC. Okay, hence now it makes the circuit. That's why now in this condition it allows the power flow from input terminal to output terminal, and in this way power will reach to the indicator, hence this bulb will glow in this condition. So this is on condition. So in this condition this indicator will glow. Okay, now move to released condition. So here we have still pressing the switch, that's why it is still on. Okay, it is still on. Okay, here is still it is NC contact, so it is normally closed condition, so hence it allows the power to this indicator, that's why it is on, still on. Okay, when we release this switch, what happened, this NC contact become again N, and hence this breaks the circuit, and hence it doesn't allow the power flow from our input terminal to output terminal of this NO push button. That's why it doesn't get power supply to over here, and it will not glow. So hence in this condition this indicator will be off. So after releasing this NO push button, it become to normal condition. Okay, normal condition. Okay, now move to NC push button. So basically what is NC push button? So NC stand for normally close push button, and generally it is used as a stop button. Okay, like it is used in motor starter to stop the motors or other machinery as well. Okay, and it is found in red color. So this is the view of NC push button, normally close push button. Okay, and as you can see over here, this push button is in red color, and this part is called NC element. Okay, so initially it is in closed condition, normally closed condition. That's why it allows the power flow from input terminal to output terminal. When we press this push button, then it break the circuit and it become NO. That's why it doesn't allow the power flow from the input terminal to output terminal. Okay, and this is the symbol of NC push button. Okay, now again here we have a three conditions of NC push button: normal condition, pressed condition, and released condition. So move to normal condition. In this condition basically what happened, for that let's take one red indicator. This is the 220 volt single phase power supply source, and this is the L terminal, and this is the neutral terminal. Okay, and now we are going to control this indicator with the help of this NC push button, or let's make the connection between this push button and this indicator. For that let's take red wire and give it to input terminal of NC push button. From the output terminal of this push button, now it is connected to this indicator terminal. Okay, now let's also give neutral wire. So let's connect neutral wire to this indicator. So here we have completed connection. Now actually in this condition what happened, as you know that in normal condition this NC switch actually makes the circuit. It means it is normally closed. It is already closed. If we analyze the power flow, like power is flowing like this from here L1 L terminal and towards the and it reaches to input terminal of this NC push button. Now we know that at normal condition it is NC, normally close. That's why it allows the power flow from input terminal to output terminal of this NC push button. Hence, in this way, this power will reach to indicator terminal. Hence, this indicator will glow, or we can say this indicator will on in this condition. Okay, now move to pressed condition. So as you know that initially it is power is flowing like this. Okay, power is flowing like this. In this condition it is still on. Okay, now so it is in NC condition still. Okay, now when we press this switch NC push button with the help of this hand, this finger, okay, then its NC contact become NO. It means it breaks the circuit. It means it doesn't allow the power flow from input terminal to output terminal. Hence, it breaks the circuits. Hence, this indicator will not get power supply. So at this condition, what happened? This indicator will off. Okay, now move to released condition. Here we have a still pressing. That's why it is still NO. Okay, and this power is available at input terminal of this NC push button. When we release this push button by removing this finger, actually what happened? This NO contacts become again NC. So it become to normal condition. That's why it again allows the power flow from input terminal to output terminal. So in this way again this power will flow and will reach to this indicator terminal. So in this condition again this indicator will glow, or we can say this is on condition. Okay, now move to emergency push button. So basically what is emergency push button? So generally it is closed type push button and it is used as a emergency stop of plant and machinery. So it is used as an emergency stop button. Okay, in case we have any major faults or accident will happen in plants or machinery, at that time we can use this emergency push button to stop the suddenly plant equipments and machinery with the help of this emergency push button. Okay, and it is found in red color with mushroom shape. So this is the view of emergency push button. So here as you can see this is in red color and it is in mushroom shape, and this part is again its element NC element. Initially it is also normally closed condition. When we press it, it becomes permanently NO. Okay, now this is the symbol of emergency push button. So here we have also three conditions for emergency push button. These are normal condition, pressed condition and released condition. So first let's discuss normal condition. So let's take red indicator and emergency push button. Okay, now let's complete this circuit. Okay, so for that let's take red wire and connected it to input terminal of this emergency push button, and from the output terminal of this emergency push button it is connected to indicator terminal, and let's give neutral wire with the help of black wire and it is connected to indicator. So here we have completed connection. Now in this condition actually what happened, if we analyze the power flow like this, it reaches to input terminal of this emergency push button, and here we have already know it is NC. In normal condition it is NC, means normally closed. It means it allows the power flow from input terminal to output terminal. That's why In this way, this power will flow and will reach to this indicator. Hence, this indicator will glow, or we can say this is in on condition. Now let's move to pressed condition. Okay, suppose this emergency push button is still in normal condition. At that condition, the power will flow like this and it will reach to the indicator terminal. Okay, and in this condition, this indicator is still on. Okay, now in case any hazard or any major fault occurs in any plants or machinery area, at that time we suddenly, what we do, actually we press this emergency push button. Then at that time what happen, its NC contact becomes NO. Okay, it is permanently become NO because it is stuck at NO position, normally open position. Hence this breaks the circuit. Hence this indicator will not get a power, or in case of any motors or any machinery, that machinery will not get a power. Hence it will stop or it will off. Okay, if we remove our hand normally, still this emergency push button is at NO condition, normally open condition, because it stopped at NO condition. So how can we release this emergency push button? So let's see in released condition. So in this condition, we can say still power is stuck over here because it is still in NO condition. That's why it doesn't allow the power to over here. If everything is sorted out in our plant or in our machinery, then again we will release this emergency push button. So how can we release this emergency push button? As you can see over here, with the help of this direction or with the help of this rotation, if we rotate this emergency push button like this, then this emergency push button will be released. Hence again its NO contacts become NC contacts. Hence this power will again flow and will reach to this terminal. Hence this indicator will again on, or we can say our plant machinery will be in running condition. So in this way we have discussed about what is NO push button, NC push button and emergency push button. So hope you guys understand these push buttons. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comments and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you'll get notification regarding my upcoming videos. So thank you very much. See you again in next video.